Sige, Josh.
You say milk. You say mommy. Is that your mommy? No.
Sige, you say...
mommy. Come. You say mommy.
Josh.
You say daddy. Oh, very good. You say car. Oh, very good. You say cat. You say cat. You say cat, anak.
Tingog.
You say cat.
You say cat, Josh. Josh.
You say cat, anak. Cat.
Wow.
Wow. You say ball. Very good. You say balloon. Water. Oh, daddy. You say it properly. Daddy. Where you going? Josh. Shh, come here. Tiny.
Tiyo na eh.
Big tummy. Shh. Come here. What's that?
Water?
You wanna drink water? Mommy will get water downstairs later. Giuhawan.
Giuhaw?
You wanna drink water? You say water. Huh?
Very good. Papaya.
Papaya. No, drink the water. I'll get water, ha? Mommy will get water. Stay there. You wait for mommy, ha?
Lipaya.
So, muli lang ka sa... Muli lang ka sa... Aurelio.
Ano man?